Sound check.
Hey there, it's Dr. Dan, and today's Pit Stop asks the question we've all wrestled with. Should I sing when I'm tired? We've all had those days. Maybe it's been a long day at work, or you didn't sleep well the night before, you're fatigued, you're drained, but your practice session or rehearsal looms. So what do? Well, firstly, listen to your body. Tiredness isn't always the enemy. Sometimes a gentle vocal warm-up can actually invigorate the system and reconnect you to your instrument. But, and this is important, the warm-up is the test. If your voice doesn't respond, or if things feel strained or effortful, it's a good sign to rest. Singing when you're physically or vocally exhausted can lead to poor maladaptive technique, and repeated poor technique can result in vocal fatigue, or even worse, can lead to vocal wear and tear and possible injury. Instead of forcing a full session, try a maintenance routine. Maybe it's a few soft semi-occluded exercises like lip trills or straw phonation. Keep it light and keep it short. Sometimes just 5 minutes of thoughtful, mindful vocalizing is enough to keep the voice moving without overdoing it. And let's not forget, rest is a legitimate part of vocal training. You grow during recovery, so give yourself permission to take a break when it's needed. Bottom line, some tiredness is manageable, total exhaustion is not. Learn to know the difference. I'll see you next time here on Voice Essentials. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.